Die now, you crapola!
Oh no!
Every day's a little harder as I feel my power grow. Don't you know it's part of me that longs to know? Into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown. Oh, god damn it! The video's it's rolling, huh? Whatever. Alright. Hey everybody, welcome back to Puppet Review Stuff. Forget everything you just saw. Forget everything you just saw. Anyways, guys, hey, welcome back. I'm back. Back from my vacation. So, I know this video is late because I was just, getting back here on Saturday, so I couldn't refilm anything. So, here we are. There's an SML video that probably should be out now. And this is the next video, which is SMG4, the Weegee Uprising. Okay, so the Ouija characters are rising up. Those weird-looking Ouija CGI doll things, I guess. I'm guessing. Huh. Well, I had nothing else really to say about this. It's just the Ouijes. Those things are a little weird and just, I think they went to a planet of those Ouija things. So, I have nothing else better to say. But anyways, let's go ahead and get things started. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Here we go. Princess Peach's castle like always.
Oh my god, Senpai's approaching me! What should I say?
The hell?
Weegee. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Make sure not to little kids.
She been shooting me? What the?
Oh yeah.
Aren't you guys a little bit too old to be playing with dolls?
Oh.
You disgusting.
This is very sad.
Nintendo. Oh yeah. Okay, okay.
No, I would run away.
Oh no. Wow.
Can't believe that's kind of sad you playing with a doll of yourself, man. The hell? Ugh! This thing's evil now. Oh my.
Die now, you crapola!
Seems like that doll's uprising.
Oh no!
Okay. I don't know why I went after Toad. Oh no! It's like the T-pose virus. What are you doing? Go away, you idiot! It's gonna kill you or change you. Get away from that thing.
Luigi, why are your parents so mean?
I reckon they just want to play a game of
No, I don't think they want to play a game at all.
I burn!
Oh my god.
I have no son.
Oh! I think that's transgender or something. Oh dear. It's taking over.
Luigi, what's happening?
Clearly, it's a virus of Ouija's. And it's gone crazy. Oh dear god.
Don't worry, guys. I'll start a fire to get a help signal.
We don't have time for that shit! Oh! Oh dear. That did the opposite effect.
I'm very hungry.
Get out of the way, SMG4. Oh dear.
I'm sorry, SMG4, it's too late!
Weegee.
You could just open the door for a second.
Oh yeah.
We'll avenge you, SMG4!
Wow, what a dick move, guys.
Oh crap.
Oh dear. Poor man. Poor guy. I guess no more memes. Whatever. We can live without him.
No. No. They don't have chocolate. What do?
That's good. I don't even like chocolate. But again, I don't eat.
Here.
Oh, it's cold in there. I better wear my mittens.
Oh my god, we don't have time for this shit. Oh dear. What kind of game?
But it's freezing! How long will we have to wait?
Oh, I'm sure we don't have to wait that long.
Dear God, they wait that long. Oh my. Luigi's now taking over the world. Wow.
Okie dokie.
Hmm. Yeah, but they're frozen in there.
Wow. Sorry.
Oh dear.
What year is it?
Oh, that's an uncomfortable face.
Amazing.
The hell?
I should have worn mittens. Yeah.
Mittens didn't help anything for me. I wonder what's happened to the world. Dear God. Factionist of Luigi's.
Oh my god. What has
Society.
humanity become?
I'm the trash man. I come out, I throw trash.
Why is he here?
I got a bingo.
You sunk my battleship.
Oh, I did not even see that. I did not.
Man, this is the worst isekai ever.
Gee, Luigi.
It's not really an isekai because you're still in the world. It's just an apocalyptic world.
Mamma mia.
Is that? I know that. Hmm. 500 years. Wow.
100 years?
Wonder how they're gonna change all this. Hmm.
500 years? No, our
Yeah.
friends.
Okay, fellas, looks like we're living in the mountains. Hope you all enjoy eating dirt.
Oh no. Oh Mario.
Yeah, he's probably dead.
No. Lucky me.
Well, look around. It's rarely the end.
I'm a winner.
You dumbass! Why would you do that?
Wow, Luigi, distracting them. What a grand idea.
What the hell?
Well, you just screwed yourself.
Poisonous.
Don't eat me, I have too much cholesterol.
Oh! What the hell? There must be an uprising, huh?
Guys, the car!
Who's in the car? It can't be the Mario characters because it's 5 years in the 500 years in the future.
Mamma mia.
Hmm? Grandpa,
Grandpa?
Mario had a kid? Hmm. Grandson? What?
Super Mario.
Plus all the
Holy.
Hey, are you ready to Mario
I
side?
can't tell if that's regular Mario or not. How did Mario survive all these years?
Mamma mia.
Yeah, I don't think that's regular Mario though.
Tu sei capato di perno toro e ti messo a tacolo da patediti.
And they didn't even have any
I wonder who
chocolate
Mario
flavor.
married to get a child. Who would marry Mario?
I got it. È tutto, saprete. E popon si tacco per poter con fosso che ti dura quadrato.
Really?
Va bene, sotto tu rimette patana prosciutta da euro. Yeah. Oh no!
You are dead.
Oh dear.
Mamma mia! Oh no!
Wow, a time machine specifically made to get us out of this mess. That sure is convenient.
Very convenient. What the?
Oh,
Weegee SMG4?
no.
How about this move?
Hmm?
Hmm? We're gonna break in, huh? Heist.
Luigi. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go Ouija.
Maybe it could work. Oh, it worked. Ah. Oh dear. You can do it, Luigi. I mean, you've gone through haunted mansions. You could do this.
Alright. Just baby, you're a fine.
Oh dear God. Dear God. Oh man, that does hurt my fake ears. Good, it's over. That torch is over.
Okay. Let's go.
Hey, you very good. Weegee. Oh man, it's gonna take like a genius to turn this thing on.
Oh, hey, I think I found the on button.
Oh, okay. Well, that worked. Oh. And you guys are screwed. Hurry up, hurry up.
Mario!
Mario's gonna sacrifice himself. Okay.
It's a Mario time.
Oh, you guys better hurry up. Don't let his sacrifice, be in vain.
Not that one. No.
I said I'm saying yeah.
Focus on the computer.
Oh. Oh man, go Mario.
Wow, how convenient. That's the very last point that we could try.
Just come on.
But wait, what about Mario?
Well, if you change the future, all this can be evaded. Oh, Mario. Here we go. Rip in the chat. If I had a chat, which I don't have a chat. I have comments. What am I saying?
Oh, yeah.
Okie dokie, they traveled back. Good.
You disgust me.
Nintendo.
How are they gonna destroy that thing? What the hell? I didn't do that before.
Where's the dome?
Don't worry, guys, I got this. Oh.
Thank goodness.
You bought the hole,
No.
Nice. I don't think they were nice originally. Yeah, I recall all this.
They can make me so mad. Oh, mama. Oh, devo fare la balletta.
Okay. Oh. Okay, that's a way to end it.
What?
Did that undo everything?
That probably did. I mean, he's the one who started, so that has to undo everything.
The video's going all bad and stuff.
You can say reset everything.
Mamma mia.
I don't know. I felt like I had a really weird dream.
Okay, everything's put back to normal. That's good.
well.
The world has not been
Well, where were
destroyed.
we? Oh yeah.
Hi, you two.
Oh my
you may
God.
kiss the bride.
Really? Did you guys seriously? Dear God.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's the end of the video, guys. That was okay. That's pretty good. A callback to the original SMG4, the goodness of it. The Weegee I think it was a Weegee planet that they had. I mean, it's been a while since I've seen that episode. So, yeah, this was pretty good. It was okay. I mean, I have nothing else really to say. That was a fine episode. It didn't have as many funny jokes. Maybe they could have done a lot more clever stuff in the future, but that's really it. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.